Hi guys. Today, this week, we're going to be redoing the essay questions from the social studies test from last week. We need to, I wanted you guys to write complete paragraphs on this. You need to use race, restate, answer, cite, and elaborate. So I've attached an example response for the question, explain how Hitler was able to gain followers so easily. First, I restated the question. Hitler was able to gain followers so easily because the people were poor and desperate. According to the PowerPoint, see, I've cited my source. Germany was in economic crisis thanks to the war and the Treaty of Versailles. They had to pay reparations for the war, and they simply did not have the money. Their money was basically useless, and I'm going to put a comma in there, as a barrel full of marks would only be enough for some bread. Germans were desperate for help, and Hitler swooped in to offer them their salvation. He used his art of persuasion and vague promises to convince the Germans that he was the answer to their problems. He also offered dramatic rallies and pointed the finger at an enemy. This explains why the Germans believed his promises. I know that the desperation makes people do questionable things. When the Germans heard Hitler speak, they wanted to believe this was the answer. Thus, Hitler set the stage for his complete domination. So, again, I restated the question. I cited my source according to the PowerPoint. I answered the question. I gave you the reasons. And then I elaborated with background knowledge. I know desperation makes people do questionable things. And then I said when the Germans heard him, they wanted to believe he was the answer. Thus, and then I concluded with a conclusion. This is what I expect for each one of your responses. So, this week for writing, you will be rewriting those responses. You will cite the text or the PowerPoint or any other source that you find that helps you come up with the answer. I expect full paragraph answers for each one.